It's not Tuesday today, it's Friday, but let's get this lesson started. Hi, I'm Evan Palmer, and welcome to my classroom. This is the 19th lesson in my video series on how to speak Swedish like a native Swede. This is free Swedish pronunciation training coming straight to you. In this lesson, I want to practice this Swedish sound, the short sound, so that by the end of the lesson you can name and describe this sound. More importantly, you will be able to produce the short sound. Before we practice this sound, I want to give you information on this sound. What is a vowel? Well, a vowel is a speech sound, which we say without constricting our vocal tract. That means that when we say a vowel, our tongues, teeth, or cheeks don't stop the sound. When we pronounce all of the vowels, our mouths stay open. So we produce all vowels through the mouth, and they are voiced. That means we vibrate our vocal cords to make the sound. The sound is a vowel sound, and we call it the mid-front protruded vowel. This name tells us how we physically want to make this sound. 1. Its vowel height is mid, which means we position our tongues halfway between a closed vowel, like I, and an open vowel, like A. 2. Its vowel backness is front, which means we position our tongues as far forward as possible in our mouths without creating a constriction, which would be classified as a consonant. 3. Its roundedness is protruded, and that means we draw the corners of our lips together and expose the inner surfaces of our lips, like this. Let's compare the sound and the sound, since they are similar but not the same. The only difference between these two sounds is that the is a closed mid vowel, whereas the is a mid vowel. That means you open your mouth a little bit more when you say than when you say Let's practice these two words twice for comparison. Höst, mörk. Höst, mörk. In a minute or so, we're going to do the exercise. But before we do it, I want to tell you this. Do the exercise in front of your laptop camera, because when you do that, you can check the movements of your mouth as you do the exercise, and you can also make your own video so that afterward you can watch that video, and when you watch it, you can also listen to your own voice to check if you pronounced the words correctly. So when you listen to check how you sounded, you need to keep three things in mind. Did you pronounce the sound correctly? And did you use the right word stress and the right intonation? Before we do the exercise, it's important to know that in Swedish, we only find this sound before the sound. So now, my viewers, it's time to do the exercise. Right here, I have 10 words, and you know what I'm going to do with them. I'm going to read these 10 words out loud, and I'm going to do that twice. all I want you to do is repeat each word after me. I know you can do that, so let's go. Let's start. Word number 1. Mörk. Mörk. För. För. Börja. Börja. Dörr. Dörr. Förrän. Förrän. Förrätta. Förrätta. Örkeljunga. Örkeljunga. Sörpla. Sörpla. Sörja. Sörja. And the last word is sörji. Sörji. I'm sure you did a great job, and you can practice over and over again. And if you can think of a word which contains the sound of this lesson, then I'd love it if you wrote down that word in the comment section below this video. Now this lesson has come to an end. That was it for today's class. By now, I'm sure you're able to name, describe, and say the short sound. If you found this lesson interesting, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed to my channel. Next Friday, I'll be back with a video on the dangers of grinder. Till then, I want to say thank you for watching, have an awesome day, and bye for now.